Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we are going to check out the Spring Walmart Beauty Box ×2. So if you did not know, Walmart has a monthly beauty box. They do. This is our second month of what they're considering their new and improved version. So for the past 10 or so years, this box has been fairly steady in the price. It started off at $5 a box. Then it went up to $6.97 a box, and now I think it's either $7.97 or $8.97. I'll have to remember and put in the corner, but they raised it by I think $2 a box. But it is a seasonal box, so it comes out winter, spring, summer, and fall. And generally, there's similarities in the contents, but they're not identical. Now, last season, you may recall I did 2 videos. I did one video with a box that I subscribed to, and the second box in that video was my sister's subscription. Those were the same exact version of box. So everything in those 2 boxes was the same. So I actually made myself a 3rd subscription, and I got that box and did a separate video in it, and it actually had different stuff in it. The reason I did that is because you guys were leaving me comments on the first boxes and saying you got different stuff. Because my impression was maybe the changes, everybody gets the same thing now, like some of the other subscriptions do. But you guys were getting different stuff, and I didn't want to be left out, so I got a 3rd subscription, and I did get different stuff. Now this year, I did have a little bit of an issue. My debit card had to be renewed. So I had to, obviously, you know, whenever you change your debit card number, you have to go to everything that you have connected to that debit card and update it. There was a gap between when my other card was canceled and my new card arrived that I didn't have my expiration date and security code and everything to update the Walmart boxes. So I'm not sure if these are the only 2 I'm going to get. These are actually both mine. One of these is the subscription I've had for 10 years. One of them is the new one I just subscribed to last season. So I do not have the box that actually is in my sister's name yet. I don't know if it's not coming. If it does come, I'll just do another video, but I want to go ahead and get this one up for you guys and see if we got the same thing. So I don't know which one's which, so we're just going to start with one box and see what's inside. So we have our little card inside. Oh, it's printed in the front. Okay, so this is actually printed for La Roche-Posay. And the card should tell me, ooh, it's full. The card should give me information on the stuff that's in our box. So these should all be in here. And, oh, I see some. Okay. So I'm going to start with the little dinkies. So we got a Hask Scalp Care Shampoo and Scalp Care Conditioner, the Soothe one-use pouches. Now the full size of these will be 16 ounces each for $7.97 each. So if I try these and I like the way they smell and I like the way they make my hair look, it's not a lot of money to order me the full-size wash shampoo and conditioner from Walmart. So this I don't get thrilled with single-use samples, but this one is a single-use sample, and there might not even be enough for 2 washes in here, but I don't have a lot of hair, so it might work. So we'll see how that works, but this one we do get to try. The next thing in here is empty. What came in here? Ah, I found it. Okay, I'm gonna stick it all back together and then show you. Okay, so this is from Origin Himalayan Jasmine Eau de Parfum. The full size of this is going to be, it says it's $6 an ounce, and the full size is $20. So that's a very weird way to do the price. Instead of telling me what the full size is, it says what the full size sells for per ounce. So this is a jasmine fragrance perfume. You get the little 3 ml size. I don't know if I've ever had a jasmine scented perfume. I think there's probably a reason why. I don't like it a lot, but hey Krista, bring me your nose. I'm gonna make my sister smell it. She's always the one that tells me if a perfume smells nice or not, because my nose doesn't always work. What do we think of this perfume?
What is it called?
It's Himalayan Jasmine Serenade.
Ugh.
She doesn't like it either. Oh, okay, so we don't like this one. Okay, so I wonder if it dries down nicer than it smells fresh, but there's probably a reason we don't have jasmine fragrance perfumes in our house. kind of smells like not nice. I don't like it. So if you guys like that one, it might be your jam, but it's just not our thing. So there are a few more things in here. We got a La Roche-Posay sample. Since I had it printed on the box, you kind of would expect that. And this is the Toleriane Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I think that's what that says. I'm going to put my glasses on. Yeah, Toleriane Purifying Foaming Cleanser. And this is ceramide and niacinamide. So this is a little sample. The full size of this would be 13 ounces for $20. So it's a cleanser, so you get a big bottle of it for not a lot of money. So I can try this and see if I do like it. And if I do, go to Walmart and get the full size. That's the nice thing about the Walmart subscription box. It's from Walmart. So you're not going to have an exorbitantly priced product in here that you are afraid to try, because what if you love it and then you can't live without this $300 a pot cream that exists. That's not going to happen with Walmart, so that's nice. So we got another thing in here. This is a Gold Bond, and this is Age Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. So I did not know Gold Bond did retinol, so there you go. So this is a body and face lotion, an overnight, should make you look amazing. The full size of this would be 1.7 ounces for $12. So again, not very expensive. Even for a smaller bottle, if it works great, $12 is not a lot to spend. And we got a, looks like a quarter of an ounce, 3/4 of an ounce sample size. So we got almost, if the full size is 1.7 ounces and this is a 3/4 of an ounce, we got about half size. So that's a very good value for our little sample. But wait, there's more. We got a coconut whitening strips. Okay, I have not seen these. And these are Guru Nanda. I can't read. Guru Nanda. And these are, you get 14 strips, 10 professional and 4 express. Okay, and this is the full size. And this is a $10.47 product. So this is how it comes when you buy it full size from Walmart. And this paid for our box. If you like whitening strips, this has cost more than your box cost to subscribe. And there's no shipping. It's just like $9 and change once all is said and done with the taxes. So not bad at all. Last but not least, I actually really love these brushes, but I have literally 4 of these, I think. 3 of the round ones, and I may have had, I can't remember if I had another one of these and sold it on my Mercari or not. But these are great little tangle brushes, and this is obviously full size because it's a brush. And these are $12.97. So these two products together were $25-ish, and this box cost less than $10. Not to count all the little samples we got. So that's really great. So that is actually the last thing in our box. But this, and it comes packed in little squigglies, so it's very cute. So we got our $12 and change brush. We got our $10 and change whitening strips. We got our little one-use shampoo conditioner. We got our overnight retinol cream from Gold Bond. We got a La Roche-Posay cleansing sample, and we got a stinky perfume. Still smells stinky. Oh, that's worse. It dries down worse. I'm sorry. Terrible. This one's going in the trash. And a little sample of perfume. So that was box number 1. Did we get different stuff in box number 2? Well, let's check it out and see. Box number 2, we have, this looks the same on the inside so far, as it should, because it's just the book. And I can already tell you different things are in here. So some of these are going to be the same. We did get a duplicate of the shampoo. So now I have enough to really try with 2 of these to see how my hair reacts to this shampoo and conditioner. And if I like it, I can get the full size set. We did get another sample of the stinky perfume. I am not going to squirt this one again because I already know the other one's stinky. We got, I'm just going to go through the duplicates and then we'll start with things that are different. We also got the La Roche-Posay and the Gold Bond. So we got 2 of each of those. We also still got this, which I'm not mad about. Whitening strips are great. And now I have 2 full sets of this $12 whitening strip set. And Guru Nanda, it's of course the same instructions as you have with any kind of whitening strip. Stick it on your teeth and let it sit there for probably half an hour. Now we got new stuff. So this is Good Molecules. And this is the Yerba Mate Makeup Eye Gel, Wake Up Eye Gel. So this is, I wonder if this is the full size. This one is half an ounce Full size is no, it's 11. Yeah, okay, so they're doing the weird pricing. It's $11.94 an ounce. The full size is $5.97. So the full size is about a half an ounce. This is a half an ounce. So I would imagine this is a full size product, and this would be a $6 eye cream. So we got Good Molecules Yerba Mate. Now, Good Molecules is not a very expensive brand, but they do have good products. So that's a nice thing about them. They are good and not crazy expensive. The last thing in here, oh, these are cute. Sally Hansen nails, and those got squiggles all stuck in it. But they're light pink with little hearts on them. I'm not sure you can see how cute those are. And it's light pink with they're almond shaped. And they're shorter, so they're easy. I don't like long nails, and this obviously is going to be a full size, $6.22. So again, a very good box with value. We got our $6 and change nails, full size. We got our $6 and change eye cream, full size. We got our $10 and change white strips, full size. We got our stinky perfume. We got our La Roche-Posay and Good Molecules creams, and we got our shampoo conditioner set. So this, again, $8 and change, $9 and change after taxes for the Walmart subscription. All you need to do to subscribe is just Google Walmart Beauty Box. The search result will bring up the link to make your order. It's not like on the Walmart website. You actually have to look for it. And then there's no choices. There's no, this is my skin tone, this is my preference. It's literally just you sign up, give them your card number, and 4 times a year you get a box of mystery products. So I am glad that they're both different. I remember somebody told me last time there was, to tell on the card inside what version. So we got 12 and 15 is the variations I got. So this was variation 12 and variation 15. If I still get the third box that I have been subscribed to, I'll do another video and show you what's in it, unless for some reason it's also a 12 or a 15, in which case I will spare you the duplication. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the Walmart Beauty subscription, post them in the comments. I'll be happy to help you out. If you haven't yet subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family. If you did like this video, hit like. If you have any comments that you'd like to leave on the box or any other subscriptions that you see on my channel, feel free. I love to read you guys' comments, and I do answer every one of them that I'm aware of. If I missed you, it's because I didn't, for some reason, know that you made a comment, but I don't get a ton, so I do get to see them and answer a lot. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time. Bye.